Welcome back to Crypto Future, guys. We're going to talk some XRP today. Got a couple of news stories to update you guys on. So we'll start here at ranked number 6, 50 cents even on the day, down 1.3% on the day, up 13.2% on the week, up 12% on the 2 week, up 9.8% on the month. And when you really zoom out, guys, we're up 25.9% on the year. It's pretty good. I didn't know that. That's pretty crazy. But then I remember, yeah, I was buying it around 30 cents, 6 months ago, whatever, right? So, yeah. Um, so, let's get into our first story here. First, from Hong Kong Monetary Authority and Business Wire. Here's a quote. By leveraging the power of blockchain technologies such as the XRPL and Ripple's central bank digital currency platform, Hong Kong citizens can experience the release of equity faster and more efficiently. So they're talking about now all of a sudden in Japan using the XRPL and the CBDCs on their platform. Super bullish, guys. Super bullish. Um, and then this from Eleanor Tourette. New in April, Ripple hosted a private roadshow, a marketing event where a company and its underwriters meet with potential investors to generate interest in an IPO. I'm told if it was attended by just about every reputable institutional investor firm on the street. That's insane. So many big companies and investors want to get in to back this Ripple IPO. Like, it's going to be crazy. I can't wait for them to IPO. I wish I was an accredited investor so I could buy some Ripple now. Not financial advice, guys. I'm not telling you to go buy it, but I'm just saying I wish I could right now because their stock's going to boom when they IPO, in my opinion. Um, what else do we got here? A little something from the digital asset investor. So he shares this. It says, shot A9, a Supreme Court win today for traceability requirements for Section 11 claims. Chaser, Supreme Court warnings to agencies and others that the federal securities laws are not just whatever they want them to be. Limits imposed by Congress matter. And then digital asset investors' thoughts on it are, what difference does it make if nobody ever holds out of control regulators accountable? They're ignoring what they know the law says right now without real consequences. Nothing will change. And I have to agree with him on that. He's absolutely right. Like, yeah, okay, they're saying, Congress is saying, okay, well, you know, whatever you want, SEC Gary, is not law, right? It's not how it works. You can't just say it and then it's law. But at the same time, that's what he's been doing, and nobody's been doing anything about it for what? Almost 3 years now? 3 years? Like, you can't come out and fire shots like that, Congress, and then not hold the guy accountable. Get his ass out of there. Sorry for swearing. Don't block my channel, YouTube, but you know what I'm saying? Like, get him out of there then. He's clearly not. Even the judge, Torres is saying, that the SEC is behaving without a faithful allegiance to the law. They're just trying to further their own agenda. They're literally going against the law and what they're doing, and the only accountability that they've had is judges tearing into them publicly. That's it. And while and Gary has been drugged in front of Congress recently, and they kind of held his feet to the fire and tore into him a little bit. But based on what he's doing, a little bit of a verbal tongue lashing, that's the worst consequences for his actions? Come on, we can do better than that. This guy's got to go. He's got to go the hard way. Looking at a chart from eGrad Crypto, I would recommend checking him out on Twitter. Looking at the charts, he says that scrolling to the top here, XRP Gaussian channel just flipped green. Based on historical data, we can see that there have been 2 instances where the Gaussian channel flipped green and the XRP price was within the upper half of the channel. The first time this occurred was in November 2016, and the second time was October 2020. In my opinion, which is eGrad's opinion, it is unlikely that this is a false signal unless there is some unexpected ruling in the Ripple SEC case. However, it is worth noting that in the comparison to the 2016 scenario, the price dropped 50% from the top of the Gaussian channel to the lower range before the big boom. So basically what happened in 2016 is we had a little bit of a correction, pulled down to the bottom of the Gaussian channel. People were able to buy. I'm not telling you to buy, but you know, and then boom, parabolic. That's what happened. That's what happened in 2016. Now he's just comparing what happened in 2016 and just showing, you know, could that happen here? Maybe. All I know is that if it does pull back down, I'm definitely filling my bags more, not financial advice. And then boom, we have liftoff, guys. What else do we have here? From James K. Phelan. While the coming June 13th HFSC hearing is an important one for crypto, the one being held next week by the House GOP, Agriculture GOP, is equally so. Congressman GT has been a steadfast supporter of the call for clarity in the space. So we can't let these kind of things matter too, right? So the Congressman GT here for the Agriculture GOP, he's been an advocate for clarity. So basically, Gary, come on, get your crap together. So and they're having another meeting this week, another hearing this week. So that's big news, right? Matters, something that we might want to tune into and stay up to date on. Okay, what have we got here? We got Uphold unveils OTC trading for XRP and other assets. Now, I wanted to leave you guys with this, and just maybe you guys can, because this is something maybe you guys can help me with understand. So it's big news, don't get me wrong, that Uphold is unveiling OTC trading for XRP, but my understanding is that that's, you know, if hedge funds and institutions and stuff, accredited investors are buying XRP OTC, that means that they're buying it in a way that it does not affect the market. So the price won't go up. Some hedge fund comes in and drops, you know, crap load of money into it. So I'm trying to understand, how is this bullish news? If they're buying it and it doesn't affect the price won't go up because they're dumping money into XRP. Is that bullish, bearish for us? I don't quite understand, but I don't know. That's just kind of my thoughts on it. I'd like some clarity on it. If you guys can tell me in the chat or in the comments down below, I'd greatly appreciate that. Because that's my understanding of it. I could be wrong. Anyway, guys, shoot me a like, shoot me a subscribe. We'll do more XRP videos. Got another request video for Ocean coming out later this evening, so check that out. So shoot me a like, shoot me a subscribe, comment down below, let me know what you guys think, and talk to you later.